Question of lesson 1, food, where does it come from? Class 6 science, chapter number 1. First question is, do you find that all living beings eat the same kind of food? No, because it depends on living organism. No, the food requirement of living organism are different. Depending on the food requirement, living organism are grouped into 3 categories. As we know, all living things require different kinds of food, a variety of foods. So it is wrong. No, the food requirement of all living organisms are different. And based on these requirements, they are categorized into 3 categories. First is herbivorous, and second is carnivorous, and third is omnivorous. First is herbivorous. Animal which eat only plant and plant products are called herbivorous. Example is cow, elephant, rabbit, horse, etc. Second is carnivorous. Animal which eat only flesh of other animals are called carnivores. And example is lion, tiger, and lizard. And omnivorous is that eat both plant as well as animal. An example is dog, cat, or crow, etc. So all living beings need the different kind of food. So on the basis of these, they are categorized into 3 categories. First one is herbivorous, second is carnivorous, and third one is omnivorous. Animals that eat only plant and plant products are called herbivorous. Animals which eat other animals are called carnivorous. And the animals both eat plant as well as animal are called omnivorous. An example of herbivorous is cow, because they eat only plant and plant products. Elephant, because they eat plant and plant products. And example of carnivorous are lion and tiger, because they eat flesh of other animals. And what are omnivorous? Dog and cat, because they eat both plant as well as animal. Next question is, name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. First one is plants, edible parts. Second is first part is plant and second is edible parts. Give any 5 plant and parts we eat. Suppose carrot. Which part we eat? Root part we eat. Second is potato. In potato we eat stem. And carrot, carrot is repeated to so cross carrot root. First one is carrot and their edible part is root. Second is potato and their edible part is stem. Third one is apple, their edible part is fruit. Cabbage, their edible part is leaf. So there are 5 plants and their parts that we eat are, first one is carrot, root, potato, stem, and apple, fruit, cabbage, leaf. So they are the 5 plants and their part that we eat. Third question is, match the items in column 1 with the column B. In column A, they are given milk, curd, paneer, ghee. And in column B, eat other animals, eat plant and plant products are vegetables. Fourth one is are all animal products. First one is milk, curd, paneer, ghee. These are the combination, these are the animal products because milk, curd, paneer are animal products. Next is spinach, cauliflower, carrot are vegetables. Third is lion and tigers. They eat other animals. And herbivores eat plant and plant products. So in first column, there is a given milk, curd, paneer, ghee. And these are the combination are all animal products. Second is spinach, cauliflower, carrot. These are the vegetables. Lions and tigers are eat other animals and herbivores are eat plant and plant products. First is milk, curd, paneer, ghee. These are the all animal products. Second is spinach, cauliflower, carrot. These are the vegetables. Lion and tiger eat other animals. And what are the herbivores? They eat plant and plant products. Fourth one is there fill up the blanks with the word given. Tiger is a dash because eats only meat. First answer is carnivorous. Because tiger is a carnivorous because it only eat meat. Second is deer eats only plant products and so is called herbivorous. Because herbivorous are those animals which eat only plant products. Parrot eats only dash products. What parrot eats? Plant products. The dash that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes, and goat, is an animal product. Answer is milk. The milk we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes, and goat, is an example of an animal product. We get sugar from sugarcane because we get sugar from sugarcane. Answer is we get sugar from sugarcane. हमें गन्ने से जो है sugar मिलती है. So first क्या tiger is a dash because it eats only meat. Answer is carnivorous. Second is does eat only plant products, so it is called herbivorous. Third one is plants. Parrots eats only dash products. Answer is plant products. D is that the dash that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes, and goat, is an animal product. Answer is milk. Next is we get sugar from dash, sugarcane. We get sugar from sugarcane. Again, I'm revising. First question is, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? No, because all living beings need the different kind of food, and based on these requirements, these are categorized into three categories. First one is herbivorous, second is carnivorous, and third one is omnivorous. Animals that eat only plant and plant products are called herbivorous. Example are cow, elephant, rabbit, and horse. And what are carnivorous? Animals that which eat other animals are called omnivorous. Example are lizard. And what are omnivorous? These animals which eat plant and animals are called omnivorous. For example is dog and cat. Second question is name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. Answer is plant, carrot, and edible part is root. And in potato, stem is edible part. In apple, fruit is edible part. In cabbage, leaf is edible part. And third question is match the item given in the column A with the column B. In first column, they are given milk, curd, and paneer and ghee. These are the animal products. As we know, milk, curd, and paneer are animal products. And second is spinach, cauliflower, and carrot. These are the vegetables. Because as we know, carrot are vegetable. So match this one in column B. Lion and tigers eat other animals because they are carnivorous. And herbivorous eat plant only and plant products. Next question is fill up in the blanks with the words given. First one is tiger is a dash because it eats only meat. Answer is carnivore. Second is deer eats only plant products and so is called herbivorous. C is parrot eats only plant products. The dash we drink which comes from the cow. From cow we obtain milk. We get sugar from sugarcane. So these questions write in the fair notebook and also write important terms in the fair notebook. On first page you have to write lesson number. On second page you have to draw any 2 diagram of lesson 1. On third page you have to write important terms. And on fourth page you have to write question answer of lesson 1. And all internal question you have to write in practice notebook. Again, I am repeating, in fair notebook, on first page, you have to write lesson number 1. On second page, you have to draw any 2 diagram of lesson 1. On third page, you have to write all important terms of lesson 1. On fourth page, you have to write question answer, NCERT question answer of lesson 1, class 6 science. And you have to write all internal question of lesson 1 in practice notebook. Any query regarding this question answer? Any query regarding this question answer? Any query regarding this question answer? Then I will describe important terms of lesson 1. First is important terms of lesson 1. First one is food. Food is a substance consisting essential of protein, carbohydrate, and fat, and other nutrients used in the body of an organism to sustain growth. So as we know, food is the chemicals, food is a substance containing protein and carbohydrates and fat used by the body to get a growth. And second is, what are ingredients? Material used to prepare a particular dish are called ingredients. For example, for boiled rice, rice and water are ingredients of boiled rice. So what are ingredients? Material used to prepare a particular dish are called ingredients. For boiled rice, rice and water are ingredients of boiled rice. And what are edible? Eatable parts of plant are called edible. For example, we eat stem of some plants, and the stem is at eatable parts of plant. And what do you mean by nectar? When we obtain honey from the flowers, then sweet juice obtained from the flowers are called nectar. Sweet juices obtained from flowers are called nectar. Next is sprouted seeds. A small white structure grown out of the seeds are called sprouted seed. A small white structure grown out of the seeds, when it is dipped in the water for some time and kept in the cloth, and after this the white structure grown out of the seeds, and these white structure are called sprouted seeds. And as we discussed earlier, what are herbivorous and what are carnivorous and what are omnivorous? What is herbivorous? Animals that eat only plant and plant products are called herbivorous. And what are carnivorous? Animals that eat flesh of other animals are called carnivorous. And animals that eat both plant and flesh of other animal are called omnivorous. Again, I am repeating. First definition is, what do you mean by food? Food is a substance containing protein, carbohydrate, fat. We obtain protein from pulses. We obtain carbohydrate from rice, and we obtain fat from ghee. And these food is a substance containing all these: protein, carbohydrate, and fat, and other nutrients used by the body to sustain growth. And what do you mean by ingredients? Material used to prepare a particular dish are called ingredients. For example, for making dal, rice, pulses, and these are the ingredients. For boiled rice, rice and water are ingredients of boiled rice. So for example, for chicken curry, chicken, spices, water, salt, these are the in curry. And for what are the edible? Eatable parts of plants are called edible. Next is, what do you mean by nectar? Sweet juice obtained from the flowers are called nectar. And what do you mean by sprouted seed? A small white structure grown out of the seeds are called sprouted seeds. And what do you mean by herbivorous? Animals that eat only plant products are called herbivorous. And the animals that eat only flesh of other animal are called carnivorous. And third one is, animals that eat both plant and flesh of other animals are called omnivorous. Again, I am repeating. First one is food. Food is a substance that contains both protein, carbohydrates, and fat. Protein is obtained from pulses, and carbohydrate is obtained from rice, and fat is obtained from ghee. And food is containing all these used in the body of organism to sustain growth. And these required for the growth of body. And food containing all these: protein, carbohydrates, and fat. Food contains all protein, carbohydrate, and fat. This gives energy to do work. Next is ingredient. Any substance used to make a particular dish are called the ingredients. For example, for chicken curry, chicken, and ghee, spices, and salt. These are the ingredients of chicken curry. And for example, for brinjal curry, brinjal, water, salt, spices, and these are the ingredients of brinjal curry. For example, for making dal, pulses, water, spices, and these are the ingredients of dal. And for suppose sweet dish, any sweet dish, for the material used to require to make a particular dish are called ingredients. And what is part? Any eatable parts of the plant are called edible. And edible may be this can be stem, this can be petals, and this can be flowers. And these eatable parts of plants are called edible. Next is nectar. Sweet juice obtained from the flowers are called nectar. Next one is sprouted seed. A small white structure grown out of the seeds are called sprouted seeds. And animals that eat only plant products only are called herbivorous. Animals that eat only flesh of other animal are called carnivorous. Animals that eat both plant and flesh of other animal are called omnivorous. Again, I am repeating, on first page, you have to write lesson number 1. On second page, you have to draw any 2 diagram of lesson 1. Then you have to write these important terms in fair notebook. And again, after important terms, you have to write question answer of lesson 1 in fair notebook. Extra question of lesson 1, you have to write in practice notebook. Any query regarding these questions? Any query regarding this question? Any query regarding this question? Any query regarding this question? Any query regarding